Good morning, beautiful people. What is up? Welcome back to another episode of Simple Builds. Today we got another DIY for you guys. I'm going to show you how to turn your trunk area from this into this. I know a lot of you guys are looking to do something like this, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it, and of course it's going to be cheap, so you guys can afford it. Stick around. Alright guys, first things first, take out your crappy old cover. I don't know what is going on here, but I bought the car with this thing. It's broken, it's ripped in half, it's horrible, but I am going to use this fabric to reference when I go to the store, and I'm going to buy the same fabric. But let's start out by showing you guys how to get these seats out. Alright, first things first, we got to get these bottom seats out, which is pretty easy. I'll take it out and then I'll show you guys what you got to do to unclip yours. Boom, just like that, halfway done. What you do here is there's only two clips on the front, right here and right here, which go into this and this right here. Mine kind of just popped right out, but if you're having trouble with it, this right here, you're supposed to pull or push this black lever. These three hooks right here, 1, 2, and 3, hook into 1, 2, and 3. Also, this is filthy because I have never taken this out completely, so while I'm at it, I'm gonna clean all this out. Wow, that is disgusting. Hopefully I can find something cool. Look at all these gems that I found. Oh my god. And if you guys want a super quick, easy way to do this, all you gotta do is take that front seat out and just flip these down and you're already pretty much almost there. If you're looking for space or just a quick, seat delete, something like this might be your thing. You're gonna take this one out and this one out. I'm not sure what's in there, but I think it's the Phillips head. These two covers off. Pick these up really quick, guys. You're gonna need the T50. This is the most important one. This is to get the seat brackets out. So we'll get the T50 and we'll take those 3 bolts out. Down in here, there's a little pop clip. I don't know if you can see it. It is right here. I'll pop that out. Okay, never mind, I lied. There's 4 screws in the back. This one right here. You don't want to miss that one. Ratchet for this one as much as I... Okay, that one's out. Now you just... Oh god, what am I missing now? I lied again. Dang it. 2 more bolts right here. This one and that one. I need more power. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. 1 more bolt and oh my god. I thought I was kidding. I wasn't. Yeah! That's it. I think she's loose.
Start it up!
Woo! I'm gonna try this one more time. If they don't come out this time, they're going back in. Yeah, buddy. Well, here's what we're looking like right now. So basically got everything out. We put the seatbelt bolts back in the holes because that basically just goes straight down to the floor. I'm gonna clean all this stuff out. It's all gunky and nasty. And then the one hole that is left over that you can't get the bolt from the seatbelt, just put a piece of duct tape over that and that'll be fine. Okay guys, it's all cleaned up now. Looks good, looks fresh, and cleaned up some of these wires here with my street glow, just routed that, zip tied some together. Our next step is to figure out what we're gonna do with the layout of the false floor. First I'm gonna throw my tire back in and then we'll go from there. All right guys, we're back from the store. Here's what we got. Some 2-inch thick styrofoam board. I'll link everything in the description, but this is a 2-inch styrofoam board that we're gonna use. It's 4 foot by 8 foot. We're gonna need a knife, a tape measure, normal stuff. And then we got our fabric, and it literally matches the exact fabric that goes in the car. So we got this fabric, it's gonna look factory. We're gonna wrap this over, we're gonna staple this on. We're gonna start measuring and cutting. I'll let you guys know what my measurements turn out like. But first things first, gotta throw this thing in. And let's see what type of measurements we're looking at. The first measurement we're looking at lengthwise is going to be 56 inches. The way that we can get our line here is some cardboard. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's not going to be perfect by any means, but you can kind of just get a rough draft of the angle that you need to cut in the back side. Okay, we got our general shape, and we're gonna test fit it out and see how it looks. We may have miscalculated just a little bit. Back to the drawing board. Duct tape is all you need for a hinge on some styrofoam. So let's see if we can fit this thing in now that it's one size all. Let's try it out. Alright guys, rough draft is pretty much there, and it looks pretty good. I'm excited. Those little foldable sides actually work really good. I just gotta trim the back section. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now, and then we'll take it out, trim up some of the top, try to elevate it a little bit, and then we're gonna wrap it. Alright, so it's all fitted up, it's ready to go in. I'll get you guys measurements before I finish, and I'll get them in the description of the video. But we're gonna use these leftover blocks right here. We're gonna glue these on so it elevates the front of it up a little bit. Use this Gorilla Glue right here, heavy duty, sticks to everything. Spray it, duct tape it until it dries up, and then we're gonna wrap this thing. Good thing I decided to check this Gorilla Glue on the styrofoam because it eats it away like crazy. So we're not going to use that. We're going to take this Arrow stapler. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Alright, before I show you guys the finished product, it looks really good, it looks factory. Please like and subscribe. I do stuff like this all the time, DIYs and how-tos, budget mods. Tons of stuff like this, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Tons of you guys aren't subscribed but watch my videos. I see you. So hit the subscribe button, you won't regret it. Guys, try this out. This was super cheap. Another DIY budget mod to the list. I think I spent definitely less than $100. Maybe it was like $50 or $60. Links will be in the description to most of the products that I use that I could find through Amazon. I do get a commission from those links, and anything that you guys buy from there helps me out. So thanks for supporting. I'll see you guys in the next one, and check out how this turned out.